Hey guys, Rado here with Dirt and Iron. Today we are continuing to work on our RMZ 450 build, and in this video we're gonna take care of our swing arm. So stick around. This swing arm I got cleaned by hydroblasting. As you can tell guys, it looks amazing. It looks better than new. And I don't really know how the bearings are looking. Usually the bearings, they tend to last quite a long time in a swing arm, but the seals, the inserts, those kind of things, they are wearing out and you have some cracks on the rubber, so I definitely need to replace at least something. So today we're gonna take everything apart, inspect what needs to be replaced, and I have this brand new kit from Factory Links that comes with everything: bearings, seals, inserts, washers, all that kind of stuff. Everything is in the kit, and whatever needs to be replaced, I'm gonna replace. If the bearings still look decent, I'm just gonna clean them, repack them, and put them back together. Usually what goes bad are those seals. They crack and then you get moisture inside, and then your packing goes out and you have a little bit of dust inside. So we want to make sure that that's not going to happen, that we can keep the packing inside, no water, no dust, nothing goes in. So your packing, your seals and the inserts, everything will be new, and this swing arm should be ready to go. Alright guys, so the bearings, they still look in a decent shape, and I think I'm just gonna clean them, pack them, and they will be ready to go. Everything else I will be replacing. So let's check out what comes in this Factory Links kit. It's nicely packed. I like using these kits. Everything is very nicely packed, nicely organized. I just did the linkage in the last video and was really pleased with everything that came in. Okay, so we got our washers and this little bearing here, the seals, second set of seals. These are the inserts and the bearings. And as I said, I'm gonna keep the bearings for the future use and replace everything else. So these right here are old inserts, and then there is this big fed washer that goes on them like that. So the washers you're gonna reuse from the old ones. They don't come in a kit. There's nothing wrong that goes with those washers. And these are new inserts we're gonna install today. So here's one. Bring this washer we take off before. And it goes from here. Cool, that feels good. All right, that's one. The washer on it. All right. We got some extra grease here, which is good. The swing arm is done. We took little shortcuts since the bearings, they look good, and they are, you know, OEM bearings that they will last for a long time. So we kept them in and make sure they are clean, they are greased, packed, and everything else was replaced. And seals, I think, are the most important part, so they keep all the moisture out and the packing in. So the swing arm is pretty much ready to go. And so right now, what we can do in the next video, you can start assembling this bike. We can put the frame right here, put the swing arm, and then do the packing on the front, you know, on the steering stem, and start putting everything back together. I cannot even tell you how excited I am that we are finally at the stage where we can start putting things back together. I do have a lot of parts that I want to show you that will go on the bike. I got some parts during the time when I was waiting for some other things, and I've been also busy with some other projects. There is still this KTM I need to review right behind me. That's a XCW 2-stroke 300, so it will be a fun video maybe in like a week or two. And right after that, we'll just, you know, get our hands dirty again, close ourselves in the garage, and work on RMZ 450 build. Alright guys, I guess that's about it for today. Let me know below in the comments how you like the video, and don't forget, whatever you do, stay motivated. See you guys later.